was laying here on my bed and I was watching videos, and I was looking for nail tips because your girl has actually just an overlay on now, and I wanted to put my nail tips back on. So coming across the brilliant internet, I saw this. I didn't even know what to say. How to make fake nails out of a straw. And I watched this and I'm like, what in the world are people gonna think of next? My God. So I'm going to, let me see if I can take off the, okay, so I took off the light so you guys could see better. Look at this video. They are actually cutting a straw. It says split a straw open from one end to the other with a pair of scissors. Then they're actually matching their finger up with a straw to cut it. It says snip the straw down to the length you want. Oh my God, what the hell is this? Cut the straw segment to the width of your nail. So you want to, oh my gosh. You guys, I am not doing this. I just thought I would show you this. Like, I've never seen anything like this before in my life. And then it says cut the top and bottom ends of the straw to suit your nail. I couldn't even imagine. As soon as you touch something, it would totally bend. And then there they have all the straws that fit the nails. And then they're saying to put it inside like a book or something to weigh them down for 2 to 10 minutes. I guess so they'll flatten out. And then you will put a top coat on. You don't even put a base coat on your nails like that. Oh my gosh. And then apply your nail glue. And then double-sided tape. And then you put them on. Then you paint. I don't know what the deal is with the white polish first. And then you paint your color. And that's what they look like. Oh my sweet Jesus. And then you clean the sides off. Oh my God. That is a hot mess. And then to take them off, you use acetone. I cannot even imagine doing that. As soon as you touch something, they'll bend. So your girl is about to go into Sally's in a little while because I have a whole bunch of nail tips, but I kind of want to try the clear nail tips. So I'll show you guys once. Okay, you guys, so I just left Sally and I wanted to show you this really small, what I got from there. Nothing too fancy. I just wanted to share it with you while I'm in the carpool line. As you see, your girl did an overlay on her nails, and I want my nails back, but not claw length, just average length. And I have nail tips at home, but they just suck, kind of. I wanted just different ones. So I just got the Perfect Fit. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, maybe. The Perfect Fit nail tips. They're kind of curved. And then my staple that I use all the time when I do my nails is the IBD Brush On Gel Resin. I buy these and buy like the 2s or the 4s, but I got 2 this time because I do the powdered acrylic dip system. And there's people walking by. And then I just got another purple block that I live by. I have already the files. And then Nail Art Ice Sparkles, and these are just different stones. I don't know if you can see them because you're kind of got like a glare. So I'll show you guys my nails when I'm done putting them on. I have a UV light, so I'm going to cure them with the UV light. And then just last but not least, they had the buy two, get one free gel polish, and I use gels. And I use gel polish because I have the light. So I got 3 of the Gelish minis. One is, oh my gosh, it doesn't have a name, does it? It says, oh hell, it said a name in the store. But one is kind of like multicolor, different color.
Check your receipt for the name.
Yeah, maybe. Multicolor, pretty glitter. And the next one is like a really soft pink color that'll match this. And then finally is just a gray color. Don't ask me why I chose gray. I was going to do black, but I chose gray. So, yep, that is it for the little mini haul thing. And it appears that it's weird because they come out a different color, but after you cure them, I love the smell of gel polish. Let me stop. After you cure them in the light, they come out totally different. So I will show you. So I will show you guys. So yeah, this is just a really tiny car vlog for today. I'm gonna go home and do my nails. It is Friday, so I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I'll probably do another video on tomorrow with vlogging. So yep, that's it for today. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. As always, stay blessed, and I will see you guys later. Bye.